Welcome to Woodland Power Products. This short video will show you how to replace the air filter on any of the Briggs & Stratton engines. You should inspect the air filter every 20 hours and never run the Cyclone Rake engine without the air filter. This will void the warranty. For the 6.5 horsepower Vanguard cyclonic engine, unscrew the two knobs at the top of the air filter housing to expose the filter. Remove the old air filter. If the filter is not too dirty, loosen the debris by gently tapping the filter on a hard surface. If the filter looks excessively dirty, replace it with a new filter. Replace the filter housing cover and secure with both knobs. That's it, you're done. For the XR950 and the 8 horsepower or 10 horsepower Vanguard engines, unscrew the knob at the top of the air filter housing. Lift the housing to expose the filter. Remove the foam pre-filter. Next, remove the wing nut that secures the filter to the housing base. Remove the filter. If the filter is not too dirty, loosen the debris by gently tapping the filter on a hard surface. If the filter is excessively dirty, replace it with a new filter and secure with the wing nut. Wash the pre-filter with liquid detergent and water. Squeeze it dry in a clean cloth and let it air dry thoroughly. Do not oil the pre-filter. Again, if the pre-filter is excessively dirty, replace with a new one. Place the dry pre-filter over the air filter. Replace the filter housing and secure with the plastic knob. That's it, you're done.